Hey everyone, it's Nicole here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of my Colourpop times Hello Kitty Snow Much Fun collection. I got it in the mail a few days ago, but I haven't had the chance to just like unbox everything, and I just wanted to have it on camera. I am at home, so if the location is different, that is why. But let's just get right into it. So the box just comes in this, just a nice pink box. It says Colourpop right inside. I haven't opened any of these stuff, so this is literally my first impression right here. It comes with a nice card. It says Happy Holidays from Colourpop, so cute. And this is how it looks like inside, nice and wrapped. I am so excited. If you guys didn't know, I've been a Hello Kitty fan since I was little. Like, my cousin and I used to go inside the Sanrio store near my place, and yeah, it just brings so much memories. So the whole collection comes with 6 items. I'm holding them right over here. So the first item that I'm going to be showing you guys is the Luxe Gloss Trio. Now she looks like this, so pretty. I'm in love with the packaging. It comes with 3 shades in Icicle Pop, So Chilly, and Big Bow. So let's go ahead and take her out. And it looks just like this. Now, if you know me, packaging is everything. So if you guys are looking for a really good gloss, Colourpop is usually good. But just to up like your game, look at the packaging. Like, I would want this on my vanity. For the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and try them. I'm gonna try, which one is this one? Icicle. It's just a clear one. All right, I just grabbed a mirror. The only thing on my lip right now is, what do I have on my lip? I have like a NARS lippy on, but I'm just gonna put it over. Oh, love it. Just really adds that shine, if you guys can see. And I love how you can top this on with any like lip liner or even lip gloss that you have, just to add that extra, you know, extra shine. And then I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you so you guys can see what the shades really look like. So they're right here. They're pretty similar, not gonna lie, but you can definitely see the different shades, the tints of it. I mean, this one is definitely a more like coral color, and then this one's like a really bright pink, and the other one's clear. That's cute. Love her. By the way, the whole collection was $98. I'm not too sure how much they are separately, just because it's not on the website anymore, or I checked on the Ulta one, so try checking the Colourpop. But yeah, really love this. If you guys are getting anything from the collection, I really recommend getting the glosses, just because you can't go wrong with them and they're not too sticky, so love that. So next thing up is their lip care kit, and it comes in peppermint cookie. Oh, they're both peppermint cookie, but it comes with a lippy scrub and a lip mask. So it just looks like this right over here. So cute. Like, you have Hello Kitty and all the friends, My Melody. Love it. I'm in love. Oh. Like, one thing about this collection, the packaging is beautiful. All right, so let me go ahead and open them up so you guys can see. So this one right here is a lip scrub. It just has the Hello Kitty logo right there. Looks like this. Same thing with the lip mask, same packaging, but you can definitely see the kind of different shade. The lip scrub does come in the purple top. So let me go ahead and check it out. This is what it looks like when you open it. Yeah, there's definitely like a minty flavor, so if you guys don't like that, I don't recommend getting this, but I absolutely love it. And the texture of it, I don't know how to explain it, like a lip scrub. Definitely you can feel the beads for the exfoliating part for this scrub, so I love that. You can really feel like it's exfoliating and doing something. Still gotta try this out. So excited though. All right, and then right over here is the lip mask. Let me go ahead and see what this one kind of looks like. Ooh, this one is definitely, like, right when I open it, like a smoother texture for sure. and smells like mint, like peppermint. Only like add that right now. Oh my gosh, like this whole time I'm just like, I'm so excited. And this is just so perfect right now just because it is the holidays. I love the theme that they added into this collection. A+ on everything. So that is what comes in the lip care kit. Super cute. I would definitely keep this. Okay, so next up are gonna be the blushes. They released 2 blushes in this collection, and this is what the packaging looks like. They're both the same. So cute. It's like a lavender purple packaging. I have it in at Frost's site. The puns, they're so cute. And bundled up. So let's go ahead and take a look at these 2. So this one definitely has that like purple lavender packaging at the top on the sky, and that is for at Frost Sites. And the other one right over here, I believe it has, yep, it has this pink sky packaging right over here for bundled up. All right, so I'm gonna be opening at Frost Site first. This is what she looks like. Oh, beautiful. I love that like kind of like neon pink. Let me take out the top, and it just has, of course, the Hello Kitty stamp on it. Love it. I'm actually gonna go and try these out because I'm not wearing any blush right now, so you guys can see that. And then bundled up is a more like cool shade, more like a pale pink is how I would describe it. Super cute. So side by side, here you go, and you have this too. Beautiful. In love. So let's go ahead and try this right now. I love how it comes with a little mini mirror, just because if you're on the go, you could literally just take this out, use it as a compact mirror, add some blush. Love that. I'm gonna try bundled up right now on this cheek right over here. And with my blush, I just like to raise it up a little. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. It's like not too bright, but it's just like a nice pink. Like I don't know how to describe it. It's just so cute. All right, let's try the other one. There's the brush. Now we are trying at Frost Site. Definitely more pink, but I'm not mad at it. Like I'm really not mad at it. It is so cute. Camera doesn't do it justice, but definitely this is a lot darker on the skin, but I kind of like it. I'm just gonna add it to the other side too to make it even. A little bit on the nose, but I like it. I really like it. Okay, so I'm gonna say I'm in love with the blushes. Oh, I'm in love with everything right now, but blushes are beautiful. Moving on, we have our mini Glitterly Obsessed kit. Now these come in 4 shades. This is what the box looks like, and they are so cute, and these are for your eyes, and honestly they're kind of just like body glitters, so you can use them however you like. And it comes in the shades Twinkle Me, Cozy Glow, Ice Sparkle, and Skate Date. Ooh. Let's go ahead and open her up. Oh my gosh, and this packaging, it's like glass, like a nice, look at the bow. The other lip scrub had like the Hello Kitty logo, but this one has bows. I love that. Okay, so this one right here is Skate Date. I assumed like it was gonna be the white one, to be honest. And look, like, should I swatch it? Yeah, I think I am gonna swatch it. Oh, and it really has like a wet, like, I don't know, the texture. Wow. I love that. Oops, I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I should swatch it on my hand. Let's try it that way. Like on my arm. Like the camera does not do it justice. It's kind of see if I kind of twist it around, you kind of see the glow, but wow, love this. And it's like really creamy, like super easy to apply. I'm gonna be like so glittery after this video, but it's okay because I like that. Wow. Okay, get a better swatch of this. Next we have is Cozy Glow. So Cozy Glow is this one right over here. I'm trying to have it focus. Let's move on to the other shades. We have Ice Sparkle. This one's more of like a pink glitter. Trying so hard to focus to swatch these for you guys. Oh my god, so pretty. Okay, I realize that I have to get like a big chunk so you guys can see it, but this one is in Ice Sparkle and it's that pink one right over here. Just have to go closer. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. Like, I'm in love. This whole video is just gonna be me just falling in love with all these stuff. Okay, the next one is Twinkle Me, and this one is in the purple shade. I realize I should just show you guys the packaging so you can see the color, but they're all applying so nice, guys, like so nice. Like, I can't wait to just use these and put it on my eyes. Like, this is it. This is just giving me back like my childhood vibes. They're on my fingers. But yeah, that is the last one part of the sparkle set. Okay, so I'm just wiping all the glitter off right now. I'm just wiping it off and it has like, I don't know if you can see on the wipes, but it has like stars on it, like actual like star and circle glitter. Like, wow. Honestly, I'm gonna be using this at every event I go to. Like, after everything's done and things are good and we're back to events and all that stuff, you're gonna see me wearing those like all over my eyes, on my cheeks, on my body. It's so beautiful. Okay guys, the last product that I've been waiting to show you guys because I'm so excited is the palette. This is their press powder palette in So Much Fun. Oh my god, so beautiful. This is a 9-pan palette. Usually Colourpop will do a lot of collabs with palettes. So I'm pretty sure these colors have been done already, but if you're looking for something with a cute packaging and the Hello Kitty collection, like, this is it. I would even, I don't know, anything with Hello Kitty, please, like, I'll grab it. So this is what she looks like. Lavender packaging as well. The shades are in Fuzzy Mittens, Cuddle Weather, Winterful, Ice Skates, Burr Baby, Snow Globe, On Chill, Snow Here, and Igloo Blues. Okay, I'm gonna open her up and wow. Oh, oops, there's a film on it that fell, but this is so cute. Like, it's giving me these pastel vibes. I'm wearing a shirt that's matching it. Wow. I just realized this one's kind of cracked. Oh well, we'll work with it. We'll work with it. But yeah, that is beautiful. I'm gonna do some swatches because I'm so excited. Let me start with, I'll just go from the top to the bottom. So Fuzzy Mittens. Oops. Let me just do like a full arm swatch so you guys can see. So I'm doing the top 3 first so you guys can see it. Guys, love her. I should have put it more here, but you can see it right there. So pretty. So pretty. That's all I'm gonna say. This collection is beautiful. I'm so glad I got it. I'm gonna go into the mattes right now. Oops. So I'm gonna be going in Ice Skates, Burr Baby, and Snow Globe right now, just to show you guys what the pastel mattes look like. I'm just like so excited. Right over here. So cute. I keep putting it, I should put it like right here, but those are the swatches. Love it. And then I'm gonna go on Chill, Snow Here, and Igloo Blues. Oh my god, what? I'll show you this way, but look at that. Like, Snow Here, this one right over here is so pigmented, guys. You can see this from like far away, that purple one right there. yeah, but that is it. You guys got to see my first impression of opening this. Like, I get so excited when I get new packaging, or sorry, when I get new products, and the packaging is like above and beyond my expectations. Like, I'm in love with that. So Colourpop, like, you did that. But yeah, that is it for my unboxing. If you guys wanted to see me do a makeup look, I'll probably put one on my Instagram or something. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you guys want me to order any more like collections or collabs, I'd be glad to do that, because you can see that it just brings me joy. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see more videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And yeah, thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.